one hair tie, one hook, and a little yarn is all you need for this scrunchie. So let's get started. I'm taking weight 3 lightweight yarn. It's a cotton yarn. You can use acrylic yarn as well, and a crochet hook, that is 2.5 millimeter crochet hook, and a plain tie like this. I will first start with this yellow yarn. We will start by making a slip knot. To make a slip knot, hold your yarn like this, twist, fold, and pull. So slip, fold, pull is the slip knot mantra. And now take your hair tie, now we will hide this tail and make single crochets around this hair tie. So let's make first single crochet. So while working with hair tie, it is better to keep it this way so you can easily handle the yarn and the hair tie at the same time. 2, 3, 4, 5. So keep making single crochets around, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I made single crochets around, and now I'm at the end of this row. So I'll be inserting on top of the first chain. First single crochet, slowly yarn over and pull the loop and pull through this loop also. Make a slip stitch. After slip stitching, we will chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will make a double crochet in the same chain gap. Into the same chain gap, make a double crochet. So we made 4 chain and a double crochet. After that, we will chain 1 and make another double crochet in the next chain. And then chain 1 and one more double crochet in the same chain gap. So this is where we made our double crochet in the same chain gap. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. Again chain 1, make double crochet in the next chain. Again chain 1, enter the same stitch, make one more double crochet. Chain 1, enter the next stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2. Chain 1 and make one more double crochet in the same chain. Then chain 1. So what we are basically doing, we are making a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in one chain gap. So it looks like a V. This double crochet looks like a V, and these 2 double crochets are separated by one chain. So keep repeating the same. Into the next chain, make one double crochet and chain 1, make one more double crochet in the same chain gap. So after making one V-stitch, we will chain 1 and make one more V-stitch in the next chain. So here you can see, here we will make a V-stitch separated by one chain. So insert your hook, yarn over, chain 1, make one more double crochet in the same chain gap. So after making a V-stitch, we will chain 1 and make one more V-stitch in the next chain gap. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, make a double crochet and then chain 1, make one more double crochet in the same stitch. So this forms a V-stitch, V-shaped stitch, and then chain 1, make one more V-stitch in the next chain. Keep repeating the same around and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm almost at the end. I just need to make one more V-stitch. So I made my last V-stitch here. After that, I'll chain 1 and make one more V-stitch here. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through the next 2. After that, chain 1 and make one more double crochet in the same chain gap. So after that, we will chain 1 and slip stitch on the third chain. So this is the first chain, second chain, third chain and fourth chain we made at the beginning of this row. So I'll be slip stitching in the third chain and then chain 1, cut your yarn. So if you want, you can use it as it is, or you can add one more row to highlight it even further. So for that, I'm taking this color yarn. So to change the color, make a slip knot first. Take your scrunchie. So this is where we ended. Keep the right side, front, and then insert your hook here and slowly grab the other color to this side and make a slip stitch. After that, we will chain 1. Hide this tail while you work. So keep them in between. And now after making one chain, we will slip stitch in the next chain. Again, chain 1 and slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1, insert your hook here, grab a loop and slip stitch. Chain 1 and slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. So keep repeating the same around. Make one chain and then slip stitch in the next chain. So repeat the same around and I'll meet you at the end of this row. I'm almost at the end of this row, so I just need to make few more slip stitches. So after making a slip stitch, we will chain 1 and slip stitch in the next chain gap. Chain 1 and slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1 and slip stitch here. After that we will chain 1 and cut the yarn. So this is how your scrunchie will look like. I just need to weave this step. Hope you like this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you. Thank you for watching.